Hey y'all, I had a question today in my Tai Chi class. A student asked about how to get your hands to move like more flowy and like what direction they're supposed to be in when and blah blah blah. Now, there's a lot that goes into that, considering like what the intention is behind the movement. Are you trying to grab somebody or strike somebody, yada yada, like are you collecting chi, are you expelling chi, things like that type of thing. You can think of it a lot of different ways. But for beginning students, I like to think of it just your hand is a jellyfish. And so, a little jellyfish here. The jellyfish moves along and the tendrils follow. You might have seen this in this symbolism over here, the two koi fish. They are originally what the yin yang symbol was, to my understanding. Uh, and it's a similar concept to the jellyfish I just mentioned, is your head, the fish's head and the body is leading the way, and then the tail is just following along at the end. And we want to think about that with our hands. So if my core being, I hope that didn't bump the mic too much, my core being is moving everything, my hands are just following along at the end. So I'm going over here, my hand starts to go over there, and they're like, okay, well, I'm already going over here. And the hand's like, oh, okay, I'll go over here. I'll go this way, and this way. So in short, if you're a new student and you want to think about the hands a little bit, even though they're like the last little nuances to get into, if you're learning forms, don't stress on the hands too much other than try to relax them. That's the big thing. Uh, just think of it's a little happy jellyfish or fish, whatever you want to think of, because the movements are kind of like a whip. If you've ever, or if you're at like a gym and you have those CrossFit ropes, you want to think of the momentum that you're creating from your center. So to move a rope, you're starting at the handle and then the momentum moves through to the end or like the hand. And I'm not stopping here to get it all the way to here. I've moved and I'm continuing to move the handle up and down as that first initial rotation. I guess not rotation, but get the idea. Is moving along the length of the whip. So me continuing to move at my center is, while this is dissipating out, kind of the idea. Yeah, just nice and flowing. So I hope that helps. And when in doubt, just jellyfish and relax your hands. And don't have them clenched. That's the big thing. If you find you're doing this, I'm going to be really tense and I'm not going to be able to relax. You want to relax in Tai Chi, especially if you're doing it just for meditative health stuff. It's not the end of the world to not know exactly where your hand is if you don't know what the martial application is, because that might have to be your goal. Okay, catch y'all later.